Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, taking precautions and wearing the mask, washing your hands again and again. Yes, it is a very critical situation now outside. Students need to take care of yourself. Okay? Yes. Okay, students, so yes, this is the math session for you today. So, in this math session, students, lastly in the last session, we have completed up to page number 33. Yes, I hope the homework I have given in the video, you all have updated the homeworks, completed your term books, right? So today we're going to continue with the rest. Okay, students, the next topic is before and after numbers. The next topic is, yes, it is before and after numbers. Before, after and in between numbers. I think you have already learned about this in UKG, but still once I want to explain you about what are before, what are after and what is between number. Firstly students, before means, yes, before is पहले, किसी भी चीज के पहले. After means the opposite of that. पहले का opposite बाद में, किसी भी चीज के बाद में. Between means बीच में. Now students, I'll just give you an example. Now suppose, okay, what is this? Yes, this is a apple. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a mango. Okay. And next figure I will draw is, I'll draw a grapes, bunch of grapes. Okay. Okay. So this is a bunch of grapes, right, students? So now students, tell me, here are three fruits. One is apple, another is mango, another are grapes. Okay. So now, if we are talking about apple, now where is the apple? Yes, the apple is before the mango. Mango के पहले apple है. Yes, apple is before the mango. Now, in another words, what do you say? The mango is after the apple. Yes, the mango is after the apple. See, the mango is after the apple. Now, the grapes are after the mango. Grapes कहाँ है? Mango के बाद. Mango कहाँ है? Apple के बाद. Yes. If we talk of before, so apple is before the mango. Mango is before the grapes. Okay. So this is nothing but the before and after concept. Now coming to between. Now, what is between apple and grapes? Yes, it is mango. So mango is between apple and grapes. Okay. So whenever you compare a number with before and after, you always compare before and after with two numbers. Okay. If we have two numbers, one they will give you and one they will ask you to write either before or after number. But when it comes to between, the comparison is in three numbers. दो numbers के बीच में, मतलब total कितने हो गए? 1, 2 and 3. Yes, same way I'll show you of numbers, a number line. Okay, so this is the number line, students. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now, if this is the number line, students, can you just give me a number? Yes. Okay. I'll take the number 3. I'll take the number 3. Now, if I'm talking about 3, so we'll talk about where is 3. First, we will talk about 3 in before. Now, 3 is before 4. Yes. 3 कहाँ है? 4 के पहले, 4 के before. Now, where is 3 in after? Yes, 3 is after 2. 3 is after 2. Yes, तो 3 के हम दोनों places देख चुके हैं. 3 before अगर है तो कौन से नंबर के before है? It's 4. When we are talking about after, so where is 3 in afters? It is after 2. Now, when we talk about in between for 3, 3 is between 2 and 4. 3 कहाँ है? 2 और 4 के बीच में, in between. Students, writing after number is easy, writing between number is easy. But when you write the before number, many of the students get confused. So don't forget another important thing. Whenever you are writing before number, you count backward. Simple. When you count in reverse, you will get the before number. Okay, student. So we are going to start the topic. Yes, we are going to do it on page number 34 once. There is just an example kind of this page I'm talking about. Yes. So see, first I'll just rub the board for you all to make it very easy to understand the next bit. I'm going to just explain you only 2 bits, students. Rest of the bits you're going to do it as your homework. Okay? Yes. Okay, students. Now see this. First is before. Yes. So first one is already done for you. Now it is 2 is before dash. Now where is 2? 2 is before. मतलब 2 पहले है. किसके पहले है 2? Yes. So it is 3. 2 is before 3. Now next one. 8 is before dash. Now 8 है before. किसके before है 8? Yes, it is before 9. Got it, students? So I expect you to do this pink box, this blue box, and again this pink box. Next we are talking about after. Okay. Next is the blue box. We talk about the after numbers. Now see, 1 is after. Now 1 is after. Now 1 is after what? 1 बाद में है. किसके बाद में है? Very good. 0 के बाद में आता है. Next one. 4 is after. Now, when does 4 comes? 4 comes after what number? Yes, it comes after 3. Got, students? Yes, so this is the concept of writing before and after numbers. Now I am coming to between numbers. Now between numbers, students, dash is between 7 it is. It is 7 and 9. Now 7 and 9 के between what is the number? Yes, after 7 and की जगह क्या आएगा? 8. So you will write here 8. 7, 8, 9. What? Another one I will show you. Dash is between 6 and 8. Now 6 और 8 के बीच में क्या रहेगा? After 6 and की जगह पे 7. So you will write here 7. 6, 7, 8. Got, student? So here I have explained you the concept of before, after and in between. This whole page you will do it as your homework. Note down as your homework. Okay, students? Now a very interesting topic. Okay? Yes. So, yes, students, a very interesting topic now. Now I'm going to show you, students, greater than, less than and equal to. The topic is greater than, less than and equal to. Now students, greater than, greater means बड़ा, किसी से बड़ा. So the sign of greater than is this. Now less than, the sign of less than is this. Equal to sign is this. Okay. Now students, before moving to this, I just want to give you a small story. Yes, story of a alligator. Once students, there was an alligator in a jungle who used to love numbers. उसको numbers बहुत पसंद थे. But did you ever see an alligator? Okay, it is as same as a crocodile. Okay, so students, वो जो alligator था, yes, वो जो alligator था, वो क्या करता था? उसको numbers बहुत पसंद थे. उसको numbers खाना बहुत पसंद था. But वो क्या करता था? वो हमेशा कंपेयर करता था नंबर्स के बीच में कि कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है, कौन सा नंबर ज्यादा है. ऐसे होता है ना स्टूडेंट, जब आपको तेज भूख लगती है तो जहाँ ज्यादा चीज दिखती है आप लालच करते हो और वहां खाते हो. अगर मैं आपको टॉफीज दूं, इफ आई जस्ट कीप 2 टॉफीज इन माय वन हैंड एंड आई कीप 10 टॉफीज इन माय अदर हैंड, व्हाट वुड यू प्रेफर? Yes, you will prefer 10 टॉफीज हैंड, राइट? तो वैसे ही ये जो एलिगेटर था उसको नंबर्स खाना पसंद था. तो वो क्या करता था? हमेशा नंबर्स कंपेयर करता था. तो जहाँ पे ज्यादा नंबर्स होते थे तो वो उसको खाता था, वो उसको खाता था. ना सी एलिगेटर एक बार खड़ा था एंड उसके पास एक नंबर 3 एंड उसके पास एक और नंबर था 9. यस, नाउ व्हिच इज बिग? 3 is big or 9 is big? 9. तो एलिगेटर क्या करता है? जाता है 9 के पास and he grabs 9. Yes, so this is a small story of the alligator's mouth. Yes, the alligator's mouth open wide towards the bigger number. जहाँ पे बड़ा नंबर होता है एलिगेटर का मुंह वहां खुलता है. So this is the sign. Okay, this is the sign of greater, this is the sign of less. Yes, तो जहाँ बड़ा नंबर है that means the mouth should be open. जहाँ छोटा नंबर है the mouth is closed. Okay, yes, ये एलिगेटर की बैक हमेशा छोटे नंबर पे रहेगी एंड उसका माउथ बड़े नंबर पे रहेगा. अब समझो यहाँ पे बड़ा नंबर है, समझो this is the number 8 here and this side we have number 3. Now what will happen? The alligator will turn and it will come this way here. ऐसे आ जाएगा वो. Yes, क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ नंबर बड़ा होगा अब वो टर्न हो जाएगा. Yes, so here he is opening his mouth now. So it is just a difference of this is the greater than number, क्योंकि यहाँ बड़ा जब रहेगा तो this is greater. One more important thing student, जब भी आप लोग greater than less than देखते हो, there is the comparison between two numbers. Yes, कोई भी दो चीजों के बीच में. Now see, I have 2 hands. Even you people have 2 hands, right? मेरे पास यहाँ भी 5 fingers है, यहाँ पे भी 5 fingers. If by magic I'm taking out 4 fingers here and I'm taking out 2 fingers here, so which are more? This one. But we will always see for the first number. One number is 4, another number is 2. The first number is 4. Yes, तो हमेशा हम लोग दो नंबर्स के बीच में कंपेयर करते हैं, बट सिर्फ फर्स्ट वाला नंबर देखते हैं कि वो बड़ा है या छोटा है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, I will just get back to you with the example, then only you will understand the things. Okay? Yes. Now, students, I want you all to turn on to page number 36. Yes, turn on to page number 36, students. Can you see on this page number 36 there are few pictures given here in the boxes. So this is the comparison. Now we have come to exercise 1.4. Okay, now see, you have to put the sign of which is greater than and less than. First one is already done for you. One more I will show, and this you will do it as your homework. Now second one, you have few birds. See in the first box, how many birds are there? Yes, there are 5 birds. So in the circle you will write 5 birds. Now here is the box of comparison. Now see the right side. Right side, how many birds are there? Yes, there are 4 birds. Now when you are comparing, you will see the first number. Now 5. 5 is less than 4 or more than 4? It is greater than 4. So greater than मतलब alligator का मुंह 5 की तरफ खुलेगा. Okay? So this is greater than. Okay students? I hope you understood. I want you all to complete page number 36 also. Now coming to students, exercise 1.5. This is also less than more than concept only. Now, if we come to exercise 1.5. Now students, complete the following. 1 more than 2. 1 more than 2 is what? 3. 2 से 1 ज़्यादा is 3. 1 more than 3. 1 more than 3 is 4. This is in the circles. Now 1 more than 7 is after 7 8. So these are after numbers. Yes. Now same way students, this side you have to complete as your homework. Now coming to second one. Second one में we are talking about less. 1 less than 3. 1 less than 3 is before 3 it is 2. Good. Now 1 less than 4. 1 less than 4 means before 4. What is before number of 4 is 3. Good. Now 1 less than 8. What is 1 less than 8? Yes, it is 7. Okay. So students, here we have end up the chapter of first chapter. We are all completed with first chapter. The whatever bits I did not show you in the video, you are supposed to do it as your homework. Okay students? Yeah. Bye bye for today. Take care. Thank you.